The robotaxi industry has had some misguided messaging, and this is a cautionary tale for anyone who's building embodied AI systems who wants this on safety. They've been saying for years, we're going to save lives. Human drivers are so terrible. Here's a full-page ad that was taken out in the New York Times. Human drivers are terrible, and the intended message is pretty obviously, but our robotaxis don't drive drunk and they don't drive distracted, so we're going to be safe and we're going to save all these lives. And we found out that robotaxis actually do make mistakes, including from the same company. The problem with we're saving lives as a message is it's all downside. Proving saving lives requires probably 10 fatalities worth of miles, so we're back up to 1 billion miles. And during those 1 billion miles, you're going to have hundreds, if not thousands, if not more, embarrassing moments captured on pictures. And you've seen a couple of them in this talk already. Popular opinion is not going to last 1 billion miles saying, well, yeah, we saw a robotaxi hit a telephone pole, but they're saving lives. When will you know that? Oh, wait a few years and we'll then be able to prove they're saving lives. Or that robotaxi hit a bus, or that one got stuck in wet concrete, and so on. The problem is that every negative picture that shows a robotaxi doing something that people think would be a bad human driver undermines the credibility of robotaxis, and meanwhile, you're waiting years to save lives. People think in stories, not statistics. Now, let me bring that home. People think in stories, not statistics. When you saw these pictures early in this talk, did you say, oh, those pictures prove it's a safe driver? More likely, your reaction was, well, if that had been a human driver, they would have been a bad driver. So why would you not conclude the computer drivers are bad? Now, I didn't say they're bad. I asked why you would conclude they weren't bad. And the catch here is, a picture of a crash is a very compelling story, and some abstract understanding of both of these companies at the time of those crashes said, oh, our cars are multiple times safer than people because we're having so many fewer crashes. But that didn't stop people from seeing these stories. Right now, one study shows that 61% of US drivers fear robotaxis. Most of them have never seen a robotaxi. Fewer have even been in a robotaxi, but they're all seeing these pictures. So think about when you're saying, well, we're going to save lives, and meanwhile all these crashes happen, to your application, whether it's robotaxi or something else. Every adverse event is going to make news, and you need a story that is not, well, someday it'll save lives, so ignore all the mess. That's not going to work out for you.